Hello there beautiful people, Ashley Michelle here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some quick and easy hairstyles that you can achieve with a headband wig. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Alright you guys, so before we actually get started into these different hairstyles, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am really feeling this headband wig. This is my first headband wig ever that I've actually tried out. So if you want to see the full review of me actually testing out this wig and actually trying it on, definitely make sure you check out the description box down below and the iCards. I will link that video to this video. But without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into hairstyle number one. So y'all already know I love to accessorize, so I picked up a couple of different headbands from the beauty supply store to actually jazz up these hairstyles that we're going to achieve. And this first headband that I have is just a simple black stretchy headband. It has some cute little pearls on the front of it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is get the hair out the way. I'm going to use this headband scrunchie to get the rest of the hair out the way, so that way it's a whole lot easier for me to wrap the other headband around. So for the first hairstyle, I'm just going to do a simple half up, half down. I am parting some of the top of the hair out the way on both sides to make a ponytail. And I'm also making sure that I'm not exposing any tricks on the sides of the wig as well. And I'm just going to take this scrunchie and scrunch everything together. And this is hairstyle number one with the first headband. Just a nice, simple, cute half up, half down hairstyle. Y'all already know, like, I love my half up, half down hairstyles. Like, yes, yes, okay. For hairstyle number two, I'm just gonna simply take the top of the ponytail and twist it into a nice little bun and secure that with a bobby pin on top. Alright you guys, so for hairstyle number three, I'm going to take the big scrunchie again and just basically put all of the hair up into a high puff ball. And actually, I think I'm going to take a little piece of hair out the front on both sides to kind of like give it a nice little bang effect. Guys, for hairstyle number, are we on 4 or 5? I can't even remember, y'all, but I'm gonna make sure I'm keeping track down below. I think this is hairstyle number 5. It might be number 4. But again, we're just going to twist the top of the ponytail into a nice, cute little bun. And I'm going to secure that in place with a bobby pin. And then if you're feeling a little extra, you already know you can add in your chopsticks. Y'all already know a double trouble with the accessories, okay? Double trouble with accessories, right? This is super cute. Like, I really do like this. This is super cute. But just because they don't match, I'm gonna take them out right now. Alright, you all, for the last hairstyle, I'm going to basically split the wig in half down the middle. And I'm going to scrunch up both sides. Scrunchy. The last and final hairstyle, y'all already can tell, I'm gonna go ahead and make these 2 buns as well and secure it in place with a bobby pin. Alright, you guys, so here is the final hairstyle. I hope that you all really did enjoy this video and definitely learned something new. Do not forget to drop me a comment down below letting me know which hairstyle was your favorite, if you tried some of these hairstyles yourself with headband wigs, and also let me know which headband wigs are your favorites. Talk to me in the comments, you guys. You know, I need to get hip to these headband wigs. You know, I'm a little late, but late is better than never, so I'm already feeling them. I mean, I definitely can see myself rocking these more, especially with the summer coming up. I mean, it's gonna be hot. We don't have time to be lace fronts, to be lifting, so I definitely am supporting headband wigs all the way. Especially if you are a beginner and new to wearing wigs, I definitely would suggest grabbing you a couple of headband wigs in different styles and colors, just so that way you can get used to wearing wigs. And as always, you guys, do not forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe if you want to see more beginner friendly wig styling tutorials. And as always, do not forget to share this video with your friends so that way we all can be fabulous together. And most importantly, remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay poppin'. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.